Next. Next. Green. You okay?
Arm like.
We can bring the line a little closer so there's less time in between fights. Good shot. Giving everybody about 2 minutes of camera time. That's how we're. Yeah, when you fight Mick, make him have to kill you on your sword side. Bring the line up a little bit. This will be the last fight. You can stay in after this, Nick.